Buongiorno a tutti ragazzi, Rassilla Viljandi, diciamo, più o meno vicino Viljandi, circa 17 km, e potete già iniziare a sentire il rumore di sgommate. Io sono qui col mio caffè, come sempre, rimanete sintonizzati, se non ve ne fotto un cazzo, va bene lo stesso, sintonizzatevi lo stesso. Ciao!
Bitmets, nii et nende käele siis tulevad kõik need hinded, mis siit tabelisse lähevad, aga kahtlustan, et Levitskasel siis siit sõidust null ja jätas väljas käis.
Nii, aga mina olen siit line-upist üles leidnud tuttav auto, kes sõidakrossi sõitis.
Aga esimeses koorides olemas kahjuks on nulli rida. Praegu siis ainus naissõitja tuleb õhtuja Leedus. Siis tegu Läti sõitjaga F22 Newtonmeetrit Lees Kruu. Üks tüdruk tuli nagu natukene edu anda, aga lõpuks siis tal ikkagi järgmise voorus juba kätte maksus. Et aga need on kõik oleksid, mis saab siin edasi olla, seda me ei tea.
Seda küll. Nii, kohtunikud annavad nüüd enda kommentaari.
Nii, kohtuniku kommentaar siis selline, et kordusest järgi vaadatuna neljandas tsoonis üle joone ja see üle joone olemine päädis sellega, et isegi poole vahetusel lunagrupi ja neljanda tsooni vahel lausa esimese rattaga üle joone, nii et see on Manchester.
Ja tuli 50.
Teistmoodi see sõidust siin välja näeb, kui siin enamike sõitjad.
Ja nüüd on meil rajale sisenenud Michael Reiljan, kes sõidab sellest täiesti teistsuguse uue autoga. Vaatame, kuidas ta välja tuleb. Natukene, võib-olla oleks üldiselt mitu lähemal olla.
Sain ka teada, et enda autoga on probleemid ja tegu on siis rendi autoga. Auto on mudel, on küll 100, aga 5 päevas sõidab. Et see on kõige rohkem, kui siin on sääskond ja see on siis suutluse siin, kes siis pannakse suhteliselt kokku kõikide klassi sõitjad, mis väga korra sõidu ja äkki näidab
Monsters. Mamma mia che bella sta Silvia, voglio. Ragazzi, qui andiamo di roba seria, roba seria. Guarda qua che ci sta, guarda. Questo che è un V8. Oh, che è? Eccole qua, c'erano alcune delle macchine, altre stanno già sgommando nella pista. BMW, un'altra BMW E46, c'è pure una Volvo ma non c'entra un cazzo. Poi abbiamo un altro BMW, un Mercedesi, come dicono, con la scritta What the fuck Motorsport. E niente ragazzi, qua ci siamo quasi, eccoci qua. Siamo di nuovo qui. BMW, ecco qua, tutto qua. E oggi andiamo pure a salutare l'amico nostro che ci ha invitato l'altra volta. E sto qui, sono andato in questa macchina a fare drifting. Ma il ragazzo c'è oggi. Ragazzi, sti cornuti che si stanno divertendo, guarda, va. Si vedono? Ah, sì, taccareta alla cichetta. Che ve lo dico a fare, voglio. Allora, adesso si stanno preparando tutti, fra 5 minuti si va in pista. Hanno fatto un briefing di 5 minuti per discutere appunto delle regole. Non vi toccate, non vi prendete a sputacchiate in faccia, non vi infilate i diti nel culo, insomma cose del genere, per rispetto appunto, per fare una gara divertente. Eccoli qua, ci sono tutti. Alcune macchine sono già andate lì a prepararsi a mettersi sulla linea di partenza. Io vado a prendermi i popcorn e la sedia, così mi siedo e mi godo anche un po' questa bellissima giornata. Qui è tutto bello e avanti col tavernello. Allora ragazzi e chi dei multivari, vi faccio vedere una chicca, anzi delle chicche, guardate qua, a parte i colori sono spettacolari, tutte sono bellissime, bellissime queste, ma guardate i colori, belle, belle, belle. Ma poi vi faccio vedere quest'altro mostro, questo è un mostro, ragazzi. Hello, good morning. So you will test the car today, no? At after 4, because tomorrow you have competition.
Yes.
But anyway, today you have fun.
After 6, I think.
Guardate qua. Oh my god. But this is V10 from M5.
No, it's not.
This is V8 from Toyota.
Toyota.
V8, Toyota.
Toyota Lexus.
Power.
Come on. No 2JZ here. But sound amazing this car. I thought was 2JZ basically.
No, that's V8 4.0 turbo from Toyota.
Bello.
But it's close, it's close. It's not far from the 2JZ.
But V8 is much better. The torque and the low, it's like. This is natural sprayed and it's not turbo.
No, it's turbo.
One big
Ah, look at here. I didn't see the turbo. Look here. What kind of turbo you have here?
He knows the best.
Ah, he knows the best. Okay. First of all, what's your name? Sorry if I
My
take
name's Calvis.
Calvis.
Yes, nice to meet you.
Yeah, hands from worker is much better than not
Yeah.
worker. So this is V8
Yeah.
turbo.
Yes.
Which kind of turbo?
T4.
Ah, okay.
Yeah.
T04.
T4.
4.
Yeah.
Okay. So catalysator. Come on, you are illegal, my friend.
The straight pipes.
Yes, I can see there are some like weapon here.
Yeah, they ended.
Yes. Intercooler, of course.
Yeah.
It's a little bit small, this intercooler. The oil radiator,
Yeah.
The-
steering,
the coil spark is like for Audi R8.
Yeah.
Typical.
Uh-huh.
I mean, this is the basic stuff. Wow, ragazzi.
It burned yesterday, 3 of them.
3.
Yeah.
Oh my god. You need
It's
to
a
change.
killing machine.
Of course. Well, how much horsepower have?
750.
750,
Phew.
750, and what about Newton meter?
1010.
1000 Newton meter.
1010 Newton meter.
Or kill all tires.
Yeah, of course. Look the tires. But you do yourself, or you go? There is some mechanic who help you for this.
I'm just a mechanic for this car and spotter. Yeah, for this
Okay.
team.
You
Yeah.
want to say your team name?
Team is Click Racing from Latvia.
You are from Latvia.
From Latvia, yeah.
Okay, but this car I see very often here in Tallinn, in Estonia.
Which one also?
You were in Finland last weekend also.
Finland? No.
In Finland, no?
No,
Okay.
no. Only in Estonia and Latvia.
And Latvia.
Baltic Championship and Latvia Championship.
Okay.
Yeah.
Oh my god. Well, what I can say, enjoy.
Later see this.
Yes, I will see.
Yeah.
You will drive.
No, I'm just.
You are mechanic.
Spotter driver is that one, which is smoking.
Okay.
Yeah, blue jacket.
I hope I can catch him later.
Yeah. Okay. Have a
Ciao,
nice day.
you
See
too,
later.
ciao, ciao guys. Eccola qui, questa macchina l'ho sempre vista di traverso sgommando, bellissima. Good morning, I didn't see you today.
5.5, 5 liters.
Ah, okay, but what time you go?
Today is only practice. Tomorrow is the main day. But today we.
But you will go after 4 o'clock, yeah?
Yeah.
Because it's the pro.
Pro 2, yeah.
Okay, very good. Good luck. 5.2 liter
5.5,
liters.
yes. And
Okay.
nitro.
Ah, okay. You have nitro. You have the behind.
No, don't have. But soon we put.
Ok ragazzi, lui sta dicendo, sorry I make some he said that he have some nose in this car. Oh, look at here, what is? So you are going to digging in the water to take some fish with this? Yeah, I know.
His main mechanical engineer, he knows all about.
Yeah, I know. He said that it's 5.5 liter AMG,
Yes.
no turbo.
No turbo, just nitro.
Yeah,
But nitro is like turbo.
I know. When you press the
And like
button,
better for the engine.
I know. You can press more hair inside.
Yeah.
Yeah, with the
And
nose.
it's cool.
Yeah.
Also,
But regular this car goes also with
with gas.
ethanol.
No, with gas.
Ah, gas.
Yes. This is not ethanol car.
Okay.
Ethanol is also a little bit.
I don't like ethanol.
Yes.
Honestly, I don't like. I prefer Toluen is for me is much better, much more octanes, and ethanol is only good for drop the temperature. But that's it. The power you can express with ethanol it's not so good. Yeah. But
And you are
anyway,
driving what or where
I'm
or-
driving bicycle. No,
But otherwise,
Italy.
Of course. And you are from South?
Yeah, South Italy. Yeah.
I see
yeah.
you are from South.
Yeah, so I still have this passion, and I like to come and see this stuff. And so you have this car.
Yes.
Okay. Okay. Which car? What engine you have here?
Come see.
Okay.
Have you seen? This is your age. Your age.
It's my age. What do you mean? I'm old.
Yes. Not old.
He says my age. What the hell, you know?
Your age, my friend.
I know. Ah, okay.
It's M40.
This is the typical 3.5.
M30 B35. It's the longest produced BMW engine. They
Okay.
made it from 69 to 92 or something, so 20 plus years in the production.
Okay. And how did you dyno the car?
No.
Not. You don't need.
Yes, but the previous guys.
This is the best dyno, no? And
also
and
with
your
this
ass.
car, there are some things that, you know, this engine is very old. It weighs a lot.
Oh yeah,
So
this
it
is a
smells
full.
very-
The block is. I mean, it's not any alloy like
It
aluminium
weighs
stuff.
as V8.
Yeah, but sometimes it's, I prefer this old block because you can squeeze a little bit more. When it-
Bulletproof. No trouble.
Exactly, no.
Even if it goes a little hot.
Maybe the head is maybe problematic,
Oh, of
but
course.
the block.
The problematic thing is just the age.
Okay, but you stroke it or it's 3.5 still.
It's still is a trick.
Ah, but piston are forged or
no,
stock?
no, no.
Stock
Everything-
piston.
Everything is stock.
So
The only thing is
gearbox,
like,
also gearbox is stock.
Yes, like the exhaust manifold. Is,
Yeah, of course.
yes.
Yeah, of course.
Special.
For sure, you don't have catalyst.
But otherwise, yeah, this is like it's a street car.
Yeah.
It's also in a street class. And here you have a V8, which is like, you know,
Well,
yeah,
this
this
is.
like a dinosaur because, you know, E30 old car, M30 old engine.
But how much is the weight of this car?
That is the thing, 1050.
1050.
Yes, not
Okay.
1500, but 1050.
50.
So 1000.
Yes, I mean,
But those cars mostly 1200 or 300. So
Yes,
I have
yes.
a weight advantage.
but street car, you must keep inside this stock doors.
Yes,
This is the
yes,
big
also.
problem.
Yes.
Two seat as well. Actually, as I
Also,
understand,
you have to have these under the
the bumper.
the original one.
Ah, okay.
And
But
so, on. So there is some
in the street, you should keep also the original seat.
no.
You
change
can
the
put-
seats,
ah, okay.
but
But
it has
must-
to be defoldable.
Okay.
You know, not like the bucket seat.
Yeah.
Because it's dangerous if you don't have the full gauge.
Ragazzi, guardate qua, questa è roba seria, eh? And what about this car? This is V8 A36,
46.
46, sorry. This is 30, no, this is even,
30.
this is 30, yeah. E adesso? Ragazzi, bisogna mangiare, sennò qua non si guidano le macchine. I say that it's easy, we must eat, otherwise no power. With the stomach empty, it's very hard to drive. Oh, questo è un bel V8. Beh, the sound of V8 is like amazing, no?
Yes.
Wow.
And also V8 is, you know, good. It has a nice torque. So
Yeah,
it's easier to
yeah,
drive.
this is what you need basically,
Yes.
torque.
For the drift you need a lot
Yes,
of torque because
yeah.
it's easier to come up from lower RPM.
Yeah. I heard
So
many.
I would say, like, you know, for example, to start driving like street class in Estonia or in Latvia or whatever, and to have like
Baltic.
Baltic, and have a competitive car, I would say that, you know, V8, E40.
So you don't suggest to make conversion with turbo?
No.
I
Turbo
heard
is
many
too much
people.
hassle, too much hassle, and also with the turbo it's the same problem that you have the torque up, so you have
Oh.
to keep, you know, revs. And
Well,
when you-
depend from which. If you put turbo like a Supra, of
Yeah, yeah, of
course.
course.
But if you put, for example, K03, K04, which are very popular, this turbo to have to work very quickly. Ok. Ok ragazzi, noi ce ne andiamo. Ciao a tutti. Yadisu again and good luck for today. Ciao. Ciao.
aga nüüd juba rajal keervolas tema Mercedes-Benz. striidist kohtunikud jah andsid loa, et sõit ilusam oleks.
Ragazzi, iniziano a scaldare le gomme. Taandemitesse päästetakse teinekord ka 30 ja niimoodi, et aga samas Ragazzi, è bellissima questa macchina, eh? Guardate qua, allargatura della carreggiata, bellissima. This is your car?
No, this is not mine.
It's not
my
your...
little brother.
Ah, your little brother.
Yes.
So, how old are you?
I'm 17. My little brother is 14.
14, and he drive this car?
Yes, yes.
Crazy. And which car you drive?
And,
You also drive a car?
No, I don't drive.
You don't? Okay. Let's look amazing, this car. Allora ragazzi, un po' di pausa, ho fatto un po' di video, faccio vedere una cosa bellissima. Ci sono tutti, c'è un team, hanno praticamente fatto una terrazza sul camioncino, guardateli, eccoli qua. How is going, guys? It's much better there, no? What? What car is yours? Ok, adesso facciamo vedere la macchina di questi ragazzi. Guardatela qua che bella questa macchina. Questa è una E36, bellissima. Ok, good luck.
Klumperade KRM Veod OÜ ja KGR OÜ on sõitja toetajad. Ja 68 punkti, mis annab taas kord võimaluse teises sõidus juba natuke rohkem riskida. Aga järgmisena peaks siis ülesandmise järgi olema start. Pressuri häält sealt ja olin ka mina korraks ilma hääleta, kuna mikrofon siis tuli akut vahetada. aga Martin Rõõs ja Tommy-Kris Muld siis on vahepeal omale rullid saanud. temal ka siis kahjuks 0. aga ronib mul ka siia jubedasti mikrofoni sisse.
Ragazzi, lo potete vedere adesso, ci sono tutte per mangiare la porchetta. Guardate, ecco perché scrivevo, se non vi piace venite all'indirizzo, almeno venite a mangiare. Questi camioncini qua, roba da mangiare, che stanno pure gelati. Ok ragazzi, adesso passiamo alle cose serie. Qui siamo categoria pro, potete vedere ci sta questo qui, questa è la macchina di categoria pro. La differenza è praticamente che non hanno il sedile passeggero, le portiere sono svuotate e hanno altre cose che fanno parte del regolamento. Vedete un posto questa macchina, faccio vedere un po' così.
nii teleülekanne kui ka minu siis reduktilt see näha on võimalik.
Aspetta, faccio vedere adesso.
see rull ei ole
Guardate, c'è carrozzeria tutta in fiberglass, vetroresina praticamente, per essere più leggera. Vetri in plexiglass, vabbè, questo già lo sappiamo. Dentro praticamente vuoi, il radiatore sta al posteriore. Guardate qua le carreggiate
kuskil nõukogude
Abbastanza larghe.
matustanud, siis loodetavasti Evi siit ikkagi omale selle tulemuse kirja saab. ei tundunud, et ta
Guardate com'è larga la carreggiata.
aga tulemuse kirja Remisi tõesti saab ja
Macchina molto
Remil
bella.
taskord skoor üle 80
Banali.
punkti. nii et Remi kindlasti top 3 kes
Adesso vi faccio vedere un altro mostro.
sellega lõppenuks peab lugema.
Guardate questo.
kuidas on, nii et
Stanno i fuori da quella parte, voglio. Guarda.
järgmisena siis Remi Lepp. ega ka see null teise Remi jaoks mingi number ei ole, et tema kindlasti on ka võimeline sõitma siin 80+ skoore, nii et loodame, et omad korrektuurid on ta peas ära teinud ja seekord meile ilusat sõitu näitab. Selle käsitlusele korrigeerimist siin stardi ala eel ka vaja teha ei ole. nii et kui nüüd kuskil nõukogutsoonides ei matustanud, siis julgeks pakkuda, et Remi Lepp siit üsna viisaka skooriga taandemitesse edeneb. ja tulemuseks tõesti 85 punkti. mis küll, kui ma õieti mäletan, ei ole vist päeva parim. päeva parim on jah Arsis Laborevitš siis 87 punkti. aga praeguse hetke seisul peaks andma see Remi Lepale teise koha, nii et aga nüüd juba siis Roomet Tamm, kes siis ka esimest voorust nulli kirja sai ja jättis natukene see poole vahetamise siin peale seda nõukogutsooniga ninaklippi pooleli ja siis pidi taaskord hakkama käsituriga seda nurka päästma, nii et nüüd siis Karl
Poi abbiamo pure questo che in origine era una Subaru.
mitte midagi millegi üle
Mastro.
rõõmus oleks, nii et vihkab tema kindlasti ka siit skoori 80 ja rohkem.
Ah, qui abbiamo 2 GZ.
Läheb ikkagi väga kindla
Un bellissimo 2 GZ, guardate qua.
et väga
Guardate quanto è grande la mia mano, guardate la differenza del turbo, è enorme. Minchia ragazzi.
vaatame, kuidas kohtunikud selle peale vaatavad. ja skoorida siit kirja saab. joones 23 punkti. alust tuleb esimesena. ja kokku siis
Tutto fibra di carbonio il cruscotto.
ei midagi ilusat, aga vähemalt
Macchina bellissima.
koht kindlustatud on. nii et eks nüüd Karl Gregori saab minna boksisse.
Guarda che bello.
võib-olla varem nurga, et ei käi mul mingi nurk välja vaata.
This is your car.
juhtus juba peale.
It's your car.
aga
You had this fantastic idea to make car like you or your wife.
A bunch of friends in a garage, you know.
Okay, well, this is amazing. Nobody can forget this car, I think.
And it's all hand painted.
Ah, ok. Questa praticamente, questa macchina è tutta dipinta a mano, ragazzi. Guarda qua.
tundub, et see arvuti
È bellissima. È bellissima.
ikkagi päris riius.
Questi sono appena arrivati. Iniziano a scaricare per costruire lo stand della macchina. Anche questa stupenda. Guardate.
nii et tundub, et oma koha taandemetes sellega kindlustas. ongi nüüd ekraani peal
Allora ragazzi, qui c'è da impazzire, stanno arrivando le macchine per la categoria Pro. Guardate qua. C'è, non lo so. Dite voi. Che vi devo dire? Non c'è niente da dire ragazzi. È un mostro.
nii et pisut rohkem kui pool tundi ja siis läheb juba asi veel põnevamaks, kui ta siiamaani on olnud. siis ei häirinud enam see, et kui sa tahad ütelda, siis sa
C'è raga una Camaro da drift, non voglio immaginare quante mille cavalli, gomme che io neanche riesco a cambiare in 6 anni, queste oggi caput. This is your car. Wow. So this is your car, I suppose, yeah? This is a Camaro V10. No, it's V8.
It's 2010, 6.2 liters.
Okay.
Without turbo, without compression.
Natural aspirated, yeah. With catalyst, of course. No. No, the car look amazing, really. It's you can't avoid to see this guy. It's so beautiful.
Thank you.
Maybe in future we will see this guy driving this car.
I don't think so. They
No?
will drive electrical car.
No, come on.
No?
No at all. Thank you and good luck.